A job interview is a process in which a potential employee is evaluated by an employer for prospective employment in their company, organization, or firm. During this process, the employer hopes to determine whether or not the applicant is suitable for the role. Job interviews are critical to the quality of an organization's people. Good job interviews, process, and methods increase the quality of people in an organization, while poor job interviews methods result in poor selection, which undermines organizational capabilities, wastes management time, and increases staff turnover. Purpose of job interview. The interview is one of the most important phases of the job search process. A resume and cover letter are simply tools to get you to the interviewing stage. The interview is your opportunity to convince an employer that you are the right person for the job. As the interviewee, the main purpose of the interview are to: number one, communicate information about yourself, your experience, and your abilities. Number two, seek further information about the position and the organization. And number three, evaluate the match between your needs and what the job offers. The main purpose of the interview for the interviewer are to gather relevant information about the candidates. Number one, interview preparation. Interest in and knowledge of the industry, the position, and the organization. Number two, communication skills. Oral presentation skills and the ability to interact with others. Number three, qualifications. Academic, work, volunteer, and other experience. Number four, leadership potential and teamwork. Demonstrated ability to work with others and to get others to work together. Number five, clear and realistic career goals. Future plans and awareness of career paths. Number six, self-awareness. Realistic appraisal of self. Number seven, motivation and success potential. Enthusiasm for the position, demonstrated patterns of accomplishment. And number eight, work ethic. Acceptance of responsibility, ability to keep commitments, and attitude of the importance of work.
Okay guys, kahit na kayo, bilisan nyo para hindi kayo kubahan. salary like 10,000 po or it's okay to be 12,000 because I'm newcomer and okay lang talaga sa akin kahit with no benefits. That's all. Yun.
Dude, it's too early. You guys have to come with me. I can't do this alone. No, please. You must do the interview now. I can't. You have to come with me. Okay.
Your name is Miss Anita, someone is right? Okay, Miss Anita. Tell me about yourself.
Well, in short, I'm a financial analyst. I've had experience with numerous banks, and I graduated with a degree in business administration major financial management, and I would really love to have the opportunity to work with your company.
Go.
Okay, Miss Kane. Kane, come here. Okay, you have worked 2 years for your previous company. Where did you decide to?
I think it was a time for me to look for a good job. And there is to challenge myself in the field of finance.
Okay, Miss Maricel, who should we hire you?
I think I'm a great match for this position. My degree in management coupled more than 2 years of managing happy employees and top-notching trainees helped me to improve my staff productivity and less employee turnover. I believe that I would be the same for organization and would be a great addition to your team.
Okay, Mr. Vince, how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
I see myself in 5 years from now, I will be best mechanic in our company, and our company will be top in the Philippines and will provide the best services to our customers. That's all.
Okay, Miss Joy, what is your greatest strength?
The ability to get along with people is always really good. It's something that I'm proud of personally and professionally.
Okay. With that, do you have any other question?
How much salary do you provide?
Okay. Well, about the salary, I cannot give you the exact figures, but I can guarantee you that we are giving a very good compensation as well as we provide very good benefits.
Okay, that will be all.
Thank you for your time, ma'am. And what will be the next step?
No problem, and I will be sure to give you a call about the next step.
Thank you again, ma'am.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. You shut it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how your bullets ricochet. Shoot down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take it out, far